The vision starts here. Every great journey begins with a dream and a decision to start. From an idea on the screen to a plan for something epic. Layer by layer, we turn digital designs into real-world parts. Every part matters. Every connection brings us closer to flight. Patience, precision, passion. This is where dreams take shape. The moment before takeoff. All the work, all the hope. Through FPV, it's not just a plane, it's a whole new perspective. There's nothing like seeing your vision soar through the sky. This isn't just a hobby, it's a mission, a mindset, a way of life. We're just getting started. The best is yet to come. Relentless Relief. Let's build something amazing together. Subscribe and follow the journey to build a better life with AI. I'll see you in the air very soon. If this vision inspires you, you're in the right place. Together, we're proving that AI can help ordinary people build extraordinary things, one project at a time. Subscribe to @Relentless Relief, and let's build the future together. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as we continue to build a better life with AI together.